Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my favorite MacBook accessories. I am very excited because I have some cute stuff that I just got that I want to share with you guys, and they're not that expensive. All of them I got it from Amazon, so I'm gonna link them in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's just start with the video. So the first item is this case that I got over here. This is the same color of my laptop, and I got it because I needed like a case to put my adapters and my charger, because my charger, it was all over the place. And this is very handy. You can put like a lot of things over here. I have my charger here, and this is the USB adapter. You can also put more stuff over there if you want, and this one was really cheap. It was like $10, no more than that. And if you look, it looks like almost like the same. I think it's the same color. Yeah, it's the same color. That's why I got it, and it's so cute. So the next item is this trackpad protector. This is really useful because sometimes when you use your laptop a lot, like the trackpad, it will like wear off, like the color will come off. I don't know if you've seen it, but I'm pretty sure that you have. So I wanted to get this one because I don't want that to happen to me. And in this packet comes like two trackpad protectors, and I got it just for $8.99. So this is really useful if you are not using a mouse. Okay, so the next item is this screen protector. This is the 13 inches, but you can get the size that you need. This is matte, and it comes like 3 packs. If you don't know how to put this on, I get someone, because I was struggling putting this on. Anyway, this is matte shield. I really like how it looks. I'm gonna put it just over here so you guys can see it. And this is really high quality. It was only like $10 or $9.99, and I love it, so you should get that one as well. Okay, so the next item is this USB adapter. This is really useful if you have a laptop, because you know they changed like the Thunderbolt a long time ago, but this one has a card reader, 2 USB ports, and it has HDMI if you want like just to connect to the TV. And this was like $17–18, and this is my favorite, and I love it because it looks so cute. I got this a silicone cover for my MacBook. I am in love with Sakura card captors. I don't know if you know Sakura card captors, but if you don't, oh my god, you are missing. I'm gonna show you like the silicone thing here. Oh my god, it looks so cute, and it gives like a different look to your laptop. I only paid $8.99 for this. I only paid $8.99 for that, and I love it. But it's not something like you need. I just got it because I wanted something cute for my laptop. So the next one, I bought a cover for my laptop because I am very clumsy and I have kids. I got it in clear. I just put like some stickers over here so it can look like more decent, but it's not working because they're too small. I'm gonna switch for a MacBook Pro, and they comes a different color. For this I paid like no more than $15. This is really nice, and it comes in tons of different colors. So if you have a laptop and you don't have a case for your laptop, girl, what are you doing? Okay, so the next item, I got this adjustable laptop stand. So I got it because I've been just having pain every time on my neck, every time I have to edit a video, and I wanted just to get the stand to like elevate my eyes with the laptop. I don't know if you can understand me. It also has like a heat band up here. You know that when you have your computer like on the table, like you will hear your fan, and it will like and it will get like a really hot. that will help like the air to bend and it won't get like that hot. But I basically just got it because I don't want to have pain on my neck, okay? This one was the more expensive thing that I got. It was $25, but I think it's worth it because I don't want to buy another neck. Okay, the next one, but this is not for my laptop. I got this one for my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro, and I got it because I do my thumbnails on my phone, and I really want to learn like how to write cute stuff on my thumbnails. I saw this girl, her name is Lauren Dawn. I don't know, I'm gonna put it over here, but she makes really nice like writings on her thumbnails, and I wanted to try them. So I got this pen, and it was only $10 or $11. It's very cheap. I'm gonna keep practicing to see if I can achieve that nice writing on the thumbnail. These are like those pens that people buy from Apple, like the Apple Pen Generation 2, 1, I don't know, but this is really nice and it's very cheap. And this is it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked any of the items that I show you. Like I said before, I'm gonna put all the links in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps me a lot. I'm gonna keep making videos like that if you like it. If not, just let me know in the comment section. So this is it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I'm gonna keep making videos like this because I like them. They're really fun to make. Let me know also in the comment section if you want to keep seeing these videos over here. And don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.